Hello, friends. Welcome back to our English podcast, where we practice English through real conversations. Hi, guys, I am Shailesh.
And I am Avneet. It's great to see you all here again.
Today's conversation is going to be really fun.
Because today we're talking about something every Indian loves.
Yes, cricket.
So let me ask you a question. Have you ever noticed something about cricket in India?
What?
When India wins a big match, the whole country becomes one family.
Exactly. People shout, celebrate, and relive every moment like a festival. But here's something interesting.
I think I know what you're about to say, Shailesh.
Most fans understand the match perfectly, but struggle to explain it in English.
Yes, and sometimes it feels embarrassing for learners. So today we're fixing that. So, Shailesh, how did you feel that night when India won the match?
What a night it was! Seriously, I'm still smiling this morning.
Same here. Finally, India won the T20 World Cup final.
What an incredible match.
My heart was beating so fast in the last over.
You're not alone. Millions of Indians felt the same tension.
And then the final wicket came. Boom.
Shailesh, the whole country exploded with celebration.
Exactly. There were fireworks, shouting, and cheering everywhere.
Yes, people really see India's power when the team performs well under final match pressure.
Sure. For me, India's biggest strength was their confidence.
Yes, from the first over, the team looked very focused. The openers gave a solid start.
That early momentum helped the whole team.
Exactly. When a team starts well, pressure moves to the opponent.
And New Zealand started feeling that pressure.
True, their batsmen tried to recover, but India's bowling was sharp,
Our bowlers showed amazing discipline.
especially during the last overs.
Oh, yes. Those final overs were intense.
I remember holding my breath,
Same here. I couldn't even sit properly.
but that final wicket changed everything.
And suddenly, India became the champion.
Moments like this create unforgettable memories.
Let me share a funny story.
I'm ready.
A few years ago, I tried explaining cricket to a foreign friend.
Oh no, what happened?
I forgot the word bowler. I said, the guy who throws the ball very fast. Laughs. That still works.
Exactly. Communication matters more than perfection. And mistakes are part of learning.
Actually, Shailesh, you know something interesting about cricket conversations?
Of course, they can actually boost your English confidence very quickly.
That's true. Because most people already understand the game.
Exactly. When you know the topic, speaking becomes easier.
And cricket vocabulary is actually very simple and practical.
Yes. Also, the sentence structure is usually very simple. Most cricket discussions use short statements, opinions, and predictions.
For example, a simple statement could be India played really well yesterday.
And an opinion sentence can be I think the bowling was excellent.
You can also make a prediction, like India will probably win the next match.
And sometimes we just describe the moment, like that catch was amazing.
See, these sentences are short and natural.
Shailesh. Yes. Mostly they use simple verbs adjectives, and opinions.
When learners practice these sentences regularly, their speaking confidence improves naturally because they stop worrying about perfect grammar.
And start focusing on clear communication. So, if you love cricket, use it as your daily English practice topic. You can share your opinion about the team's performance in the comment section.
And remember, the best way to learn English is through real conversations.
See you in the next English podcast.
If you enjoyed this episode, please like the video and stay connected with us. Stay healthy, stay happy. Thank you all.